in our country. General Mkhwanazi represents the hopeless and the poor people who are sick and tired of corruption in government. Politicians who are collaborating with criminals to terrorize black and colored communities. That is why we are here and we're saying we want to bring this support and we want to tell your superiors that you touch General Mkhwanazi, you touch us. Yes. General Mkhwanazi is us. And General Mkhwanazi represents the cries of our people. Black and colored communities cannot prosper today because of criminals. The crimes in our community we've been saying for a long time. That is brought by politicians, corrupt politicians, and corrupt police officials within the service. Now we want to say we stand with General Mkhwanazi. That is why we came here. We're bringing this message to you. We want to tell you that you tell that dog, Mkhulu, that once he touches General Mkhwanazi, we will make sure we mobilize all over the country. And there are many people who are calling that General Mkhwanazi must not be touched. We will defend General Mkhwanazi with our body, with everything. Thank you very much. If you've got something to say, Natem, you can say. If you don't have something to say, you are also welcome.
I want to ask him. I want to
Let us begin, Mom. Then you can ask that question. Is
Did I know the people? Can you hear me?
no. No.
Can you hear me?
No.
Okay, can I speak with you, Auntie? Okay, people.
Yeah. Now we hear you.
I take note of what you said, but I want to request you. If criminal activity is happening, you report it. If you don't report it, it cannot be investigated. Please, together we can make the difference, not on one basis alone. But thank you for all your cooperation.
Thank you very much. Eyona message libalekile apha yeyo. So andifuni nibe frustrated into ayithethayo, akathethi kakubi. Into ayithethayo yena uthi uyacela ukuhlala ku report ebusebenzisane nabo but sizamphendula kuloo nto leyo.